Coach, so far, kumusta yung mga preparation, tune-up ng team before the Commissioner's Cup?
Nakadalawang tune-up na kami. Medyo maganda yung nakikita ko. Nanalo naman kami. Pero tingin ko meron pang mga improvements talaga. Yung import namin, I don't think it's 100% yet, but I see a lot of potential. Of course, dahil sa style ng play namin, fitness is always going to be a factor. So we're trying to get him to be as fit as possible para makatagal siya sa sa pace ng laro. He's still kinda off with his timing, but yun nga, nakakatatlong practice, pang-apat niya today actually na, pero hindi naman siya masyadong naglaro dahil nga walang import yung ka-scrimmage namin. I just used him for a couple of minutes in the first half and then just put in additional minutes for our rookies. Yung mga rookies medyo tinetesting din namin.
Coach, how do you like yung you gave your rookies a lot of playing time today?
I'm optimistic, I'm positive about their future. Makikita naman natin na the last 2 games namin, scrimmages, they've been blending well. They've been making significant contributions. No regrets in signing them up, or I have no doubt na magiging successful yung career nila sa PBA.
Coach, yung mga imports na lumabas na yung mga pangalan, may 7-footer, may 7-6 daw sa Tiguara. So, how do you plan to face those imports? How do you plan to contain them?
Problema talaga yan, no? But I think we will only know how we can look for a scheme to siguro neutralize them, not totally neutralize them, but make them a little bit more less effective siguro, is when we see them play mismo, no? What we can do now is to rely lang doon sa mga videos and past tapes nila, past performances. But iba pa rin yung mag-adapt ka dito sa style ng PBA. So we'll see how they adapt. We'll see if they have any weaknesses. Kung may weaknesses sila, we'll try to find something na pang-counter dun sa size nila. Pero ang nakakatakot, baka wala silang weakness eh. Merong matangkad na mobile, na may shooting, no? So sabi ko nga, yung si Bol, napapanood ko naman sa NBA yan. Napanood ko yung mga mga highlights niya. I think he will be a problem. Among all the imports that came in, ang pinakamalaking concern ko is yung si Bol. Wala pa kaming nakikitang paraan para mapigilan siya.
But yun nga, nakita mo na si Bol sa NBA. Do you feel like he fit naman siya to play in the PBA with his style of play?
Tingin ko, fit na fit siya. Sabi ko nga, he can own the paint, no? Offense and defense. He's a human cheat code, actually.